Welcome to our quick guide on depositing money in Expert Option for 2025. Expert Option has become a crucial platform for traders looking for reliable trading opportunities. In 2025, you'll find multiple deposit methods available on Expert Option, including credit/debit cards, e-wallets like PayPal and Skrill, bank transfers, and even cryptocurrencies. Let's go through the process for depositing via credit or debit card. First, log into your account and go to the deposit section. You can also deposit funds using e-wallets like PayPal and Skrill. Select your preferred e-wallet and follow the instructions to make your deposit. Bank transfer deposits can take a bit longer, usually ranging from 1 to 3 business days. Make sure to check your bank's processing times. Cryptocurrency is also an option for deposits. Expert Option supports several coins, including Bitcoin and Ethereum. Just select your coin and follow the instructions. Don't forget to set your deposit limits according to your trading strategy. Understanding minimum requirements is crucial for responsible investing. Verifying your account will help you process deposits faster. Make sure to complete this step to ensure smooth transactions. To ensure secure transactions, use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and monitor your account regularly. In conclusion, depositing money into Expert Option is straightforward with various methods available. For any additional support, feel free to reach out to our customer service.